Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off vibration for trending lenses notifications on Snapchat. If those buzzing alerts are getting a bit annoying, don't worry. This only takes a minute to fix. Let's jump right into it. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your device controls live, and it's the starting point for managing app behavior. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it. This section shows every app installed on your phone. Next, look through the list and tap on Snapchat. This will open up all the settings specifically for Snapchat, including permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different types of alerts Snapchat can send you. To get more control, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat separates its notifications into specific groups, so you can customize each one individually. Scroll through the categories until you find trending lenses, then tap on it. This is the setting responsible for those alerts about popular lenses you can try. Inside this section, you'll see a Vibrate option. Simply toggle it off. Once you do that, your phone will no longer vibrate when you receive trending lenses notifications, while still keeping the notification itself active if you want it. And that's it. Quick, simple, and no more unnecessary buzzing in your pocket. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips like this to keep your apps working exactly the way you want.